Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, but it is not really that important because all the options are in the general section. So all we have to do is to tap on this kind of menu icon or settings icon, and here whenever we've got this still camera section, we've got the countdown timer. So let's tap on it. As you can see, we've got 4 different options, so the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds delay, so simply tap on the option like to use, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, so we can go back to the camera. And unfortunately we do not have any kind of icon or information that we've got the timer set, but that's okay. All we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after the time it will take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works. Of course, you can always turn off the timer just by getting back to those options and tapping on off. Now we can go back, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.